So you're ready to share your Bubble account or Bubble app access with a team member or a developer or maybe a third-party agency to work within your app. Now the best way of doing this within your Bubble application is go to the Settings tab on the left-hand side. Then at the top you have a collaboration button. Click on that and you'll be able to see the users editing this app page. From here you'll be able to see your user account, which will have your email address. By default, the admin checkbox will be selected, app will say view and edit, data will say view and edit, and logs will say view and query. Now in order to invite a team member or a third-party developer to your application, firstly you want to make sure that your Bubble account plan supports inviting collaborators. If it does, then just go to invite a user by email, type in that particular email address of the user that you want to invite, and then click on invite. It will then automatically send them an email saying that they've been invited to your app, and the app will then be visible in their Bubble account. The transfer button is used for transferring an app to another Bubble account entirely. This is very different from inviting as a collaborator, in which case you will both have access, but inviting a user via transfer will actually move the application from your account to their account. So this is great if you sell an application or sell a business and you want to transfer it from your Bubble account to theirs. Once you've invited someone to your account, you can then have fine-grained control over what levels of access you give them. So for example, you can give them full admin access, which may be really helpful for a developer, or you can just give them view-only or read-only access to the app. The database, you can either give them view and edit access, or just view-only or read-only access if you just want them to see but not make any changes. And then logs will allow them to view and potentially query, i.e. search the log system for any activity within the application over the given time period that they query. Now the great thing about the collaboration system in Bubble is that you, as the admin, get full control over access, and you can freely remove or add new collaborators to your app at any time. So if you want to remove a collaborator, just simply click on the trash can icon next to that collaborator's name and their access will be removed from your app. If you have any questions or need any help setting up collaborators in your app, please reach out to me at reece@creativeconcepts.co.uk or visit the website in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.